Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can free purchase in the Bronze Store in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So Bronze Store now in UCL live events. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap the play button, tap the live events, and tap the UEFA Champions League. Welcome to UEFA Champions League live events. As you can see, there are four features here: the main, the group stage, the inform focus, and the last is Legend Club. Please tap the Legend Club. Try to search this one, the Bronze Store. This is free for you, free purchases. You can do it now. So there are guaranteed reward contain 10,000 coins or a 70 place OVR best player. And also this is possible reward. You can learn like mixed version player contain a 75 plus OVR UCL, UL or UECL player. And also if you are lucky you can get Xabi Alonso, part of Prime icon player here, and many more UCL player and UL player. Let's try our luck. Tap free button here and tap to open and continue. I've got this Olise, Michael Olise. He is French player, play for Crystal Palace in EPL. So maybe you're lucky than me. Please do it now. The Bronze Store in UCL Legend Club. This one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.